Welcome back everyone. So how you can reset your forgotten password? Okay, so how we can do that? Suppose this is my user and I don't remember my password. Okay, I type something and it said incorrect. I type something and it's incorrect. You can see now the reset password here. Okay, so click on reset password and now you can see it ask me for some question. Okay, so when I install this Windows, I have provided some questions answers. Okay, so this is the local users and I have provided some questions answers. Okay, so I provide the answers. Okay, suppose like okay, so let's go with that. And now you can see I can provide a new password here. Okay, so and now enter, and now you can see it's successfully logged in. Okay, so I have reset my password and it's really great. And if you like this kind of video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for being here and bye bye, see you in the next video.